Hello. Today, I'll show you how to open the touch or virtual keyboard in Windows. This is particularly useful if you're using a touch-enabled device or if your physical keyboard isn't working. Let's go through this step by step. First, locate your Windows taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click anywhere on the empty space of the taskbar. If you're using a touch-enabled device, you can tap and hold instead. Next, a context menu will appear. Look for the Toolbars option and hover your mouse over it. This will open a submenu. Then, in the submenu that appears, look for and click on Touch Keyboard. Once you click it, you'll see a keyboard icon appear in your taskbar. Finally, to open the Touch Keyboard, simply click on the keyboard icon in your taskbar. The virtual keyboard will appear at the bottom of your screen, ready for you to use. And that's it. To summarize, right-click the taskbar, go to Toolbars, select Touch Keyboard, and click the keyboard icon that appears. This works in both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Remember, this is especially useful for touchscreen devices or when your physical keyboard isn't working properly.